had said in the live chat one day that y'all want to see me clean, and I don't understand why. I said, you know what, maybe I need to sit and watch some clean with me videos, and then I can kind of understand like why they want to see the way that I clean. I have like a disorganized way to clean, so I'm gonna just show y'all how I clean today. So every single morning I have to move the coffee table and the furniture back into place. Like, it literally looks like me and Mackenzie have like a party in the living room every night. So the first thing I like to do is get rid of the thousands of blankets that are all over the floor. And that's because I usually keep my house pretty cool. So Mackenzie's always under like a blanket. And y'all, when we come home, we just like to be comfortable. So like, I'm guilty. We will sit there and like take our pants, socks off, shoes, whatever, right there in the living room, and everything just kind of gets caught on the rug. So in the morning, I just put it all back together. Shoes, books, water bottles, you freaking name it, it's in the rug. So the way I like to clean or straighten is I like to deal with the pretty stuff first. So I like to make my pillows look good. I roll these blankets to make them fit neatly in the basket. I just address all the decorative items because for me, it's just easier that way. So I'm looking really confused right now because I don't know what Kenzie did with this other blanket. And this freaking blanket, oh, there we go, center floor. And it may seem extreme for me to like deal with messes this way, but to me, it just makes sense. It's like, if I know the way I like things to look and everything in my living room has a place, if I return everything back to its place, then I know it's clean.
I just deal with little messes at a time. Like, my living room may look fabulous, and then you go in my bedroom and it looks like a tornado hit that thing. But for me, it just makes me easy. It makes it easier for me to address one room at a time. So literally all that I do is remove everything that doesn't belong in this space. And then after that's done, the other little messes I created, then I go and address them. And I don't know, I just realized for the first time that that's what works for me. So my nephew is getting ready to come over, and he's 11 months old. And like, guys, a little boy at 11 months old is so much different from a little girl at 11 months old. So, oh my God, my mouth is so dry after I just brushed my teeth. And normally I would put on some chapstick, but I'm trying to get my house back reorganized. After I went on this trip, like, I don't know, my week has been kind of off because I've had to do things differently than I normally do. So I'm trying to like get everything back together. And the weird part is my brother stayed here with my dog. So literally all this mess that you see, it's from like one day. And so that's when I realized how important it is for me to stay on schedule with my week so that way I can stay organized. Also, I need to clear my home of my brother's energy because how it just got chaotic that quick. Like, no offense, bro, but you know how your room used to be as a kid. So that's why I feel like everything, that's why I feel so thrown off today. So anyway, like I said, if you have any nephews or nieces or little brothers or sisters at that 11-month-old boy stage, they're off the chain, like they're tossing stuff, and so my house is just not gonna be neat today at all, and I have to accept that. But what I'm trying to do right now is just, you know, eliminate things like this that, you know, he could possibly hurt himself with. So we're just gonna basically move things to higher ground for now. And I'm trying to like clear as much of the little disorganized chaos as possible, because even something like this, he could, oh wait, this is just a string. But even something like this, you know, he could really hurt himself on. So, and he loves to play in this basket. So I folded this basket, but what I'm gonna do for now is just relocate it to the bar because it's out of his reach and I don't have to worry about him hurting himself. The dog, I'm gonna pick her dog food up after I give her breakfast because he loves to play in her water and stuff, and try to put her toys in his mouth, and no. Love you, Oreo, but no. Baby doesn't eat dog stuff in his mouth. So, this scale, he loves to play with this scale. I mean, who wouldn't? It's beautiful. Let's see how much I weigh. 141 pounds. So I think I definitely picked up 2 pounds from going on a trip with Babe. And he's such a freaking foodie, but then he's just obsessed with like staying healthy and in shape as me. So I'll be getting back into the gym and I'll drop those 3 pounds pretty quickly. I think I want to definitely stay around 140 as far as my weight loss goes, because I feel like my body looks nice at that weight. Okay, so I like the plant here, and I'm actually going to have to cut it back a little more. Like, this thing gets so big, and then I always have to go back and trim it a little bit. So we're kind of at that stage right now, but we'll worry about that later. And she probably could use some water soon. So I did my makeup over here today. So I need to pack these things up and take it into my room. And then all that stuff basically goes in the bathroom.
Amir, you see the doggy? You see the doggy? Look.